Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a meeting in Zoom. So first go to zoom.com and sign into your account. Now, once you are signed into your account, simply click on Meet right here and click on Join a Meeting. Now, simply enter a meeting ID or personal link name if your meeting already exists. If your meeting doesn't exist, then go back and simply press on Host a Meeting. Now you can choose if you want to open it in application Zoom or in your browser. For the sake of this tutorial, we will do it in the browser. So click Cancel and then join from your browser. Now you are simply joining a meeting and you can use your microphone and camera, so click on that. And voila, your meeting has started. It is really simple to create a meeting. If you want to send an invitation to participant to connect to your meeting, click on Participants and then Invite. Now here just type names of the people that you want to send it to, or you can copy the URL to your meeting or copy invitation straight to email and send it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.